Hello guys, and welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD. We've got euro USD, gold, USDCAD, and DXY. Continuation from last week, my anticipation would be something here on pound USD, looking like price is rejecting a critical resistance level here, a support level, sorry, at 132.65. And if we look, it looks like we've had like a double top, or what we call a head and shoulder pattern formed here, and this is like a neckline. So what I'll be anticipating for this week would be to see price break below this region here, and then I'll look for sales to the downside. Okay, something like that. And then for buys, I would take this as a kind of like a consolidation between the regions of 1.3340 and 1.33 3265 region. So I'll be looking out to see, let me see, yeah, I'll be looking out to see for buys would be only when price comes back above this region here. If price does this, then I'll be looking to look for buy opportunities. Let me take this off. Okay, basically this is what I'll be looking out for here on pound USD. Buy above these regions of 1.3340 regions, and sells below these regions of 1.3265 region. Okay, and then similarly here on euro USD, like I've seen a confluence of the upward trend line here. There might be a bounce off that region, but a break of price below that we could actually now look for sell opportunities. So I'm looking out for something of this nature here on euro USD, a break below, a retest to this region's support, double confluence will be the upward trend line broken, and then sales to at least this regions of 1.11 30 regions here. I'll be really confident to start looking for opportunities for buys if price comes to break these regions of 1.1430 regions here. Break, retest, then we can look for opportunities to buy to the upside. And this looks like a head and shoulder pattern also formed here, and here is a neckline. So a break of this will look for sales opportunities to the downside. So more or less like this, yeah, basically. Alright, that's that. And here on gold, similarly, we've seen price breaking this strong support region, and looks like it retested it already and was about to dive to the downside. We could use that as a confirmation, but also looking at these regions as a possible retest to this region. So I'll be looking for buys if price breaks above these regions again. Okay, and for sales, would be confident. Let's slide down to the 1 hour time frame. If price comes back to reject this region, so something of this nature, if price comes back to this region, so get some rejection patterns around here, they will definitely be looking to make some sell around that regions of 3240 here, 3275 basically. And if price breaks above, let's say we'll be confident to make that buys, because price might just want to manipulate around this region. So for buys, it will be just when price comes back above these regions, then I'll be confident to look for buy opportunities, and then sell, buy back to the upside. All right, that's that for pound USD. And then USD CAD, quite similar. We've seen some kind of like consolidation around here. I wanted price to break below this region so we can look for opportunities to sell to the downside, and look for buys when price break above this region to look for opportunities to the upside. Okay, this is basically what I'll be looking out for here on USDCAD. Okay, basically. And lastly, for confluence here on the DXY, when price breaks above these regions, look for buy opportunities, which means sell opportunities for pound USD and euro USD. And if price comes back below these regions, where it looks like a mini support regions here, if price comes back to break below this, then we'll look for opportunities for sales here, which is opportunities to buy over here on pound USD and euro USD. Well, more likely I'm looking at an inverse head and shoulder pattern already formed here on the DXY, which means a break of this neckline will see price retest these regions or even above. And if that happens, it means this is valid for a head and shoulder pattern or double top here for sales down and sells down here on euro USD. So let's see how this week will play out. Make sure you back some pips. I'll see you guys for update on Wednesday, and do enjoy. Ciao.